Now that we have understood what an atom is and how its anatomy or internal structure looks like, let us understand a very important nomenclature of the atom or a very important property of an atom known as its atomic number, right? The number of protons present inside the nucleus of an atom is known as its atomic number and it is denoted by Z, right? For example, an atom of helium element, right, has an atomic number of 2, which is its proton number also, which means it has 2 protons in the nucleus, right? Now you might wonder, I mean, what is the significance of atomic number? Why did we or the scientists bring up a new term, right? Atomic number. Well, atomic number, point number one, it's the atomic number that identifies an element's place in the periodic table, right? You know what a periodic table is? It's a, all the elements grouped together in a tabular structure according to their, chemical and physical properties and in order of their atomic number. So, element having atomic number 1, which is hydrogen, is at the very first place in the periodic table. Then comes helium, whose atomic number is 2, right? Then lithium with atomic number 3, and so on. So, atomic number gives a place to an element in the periodic table. Number 2, since the number of protons in an element is equal to number of electrons, and electrons are the ones which identify all the chemical properties of an element, like how reactive the element is, with what all other elements can this element react to form, more compounds. It is depends on the number of electrons. So essentially it's the atomic number of an element that defines, or with the help of which you can immediately, get to know all the chemical and physical properties of that particular element. Now let us see another property or nomenclature as given as mass number.